Guys, so today I'm in Mega Mall and I'm on the way to my appointment at Strip. So let's go. Guys, so today I'm with Monique. Hi! She's from Strip. The gorgeous Monique. So can you tell us what I'm up to for today?
Okay, for today, I know you're familiar with Strip. Namiss kita. So you're gonna do a Brazilian, and then after your Brazilian wax, we'll do a facial. Okay. So it's called a wax and polish.
Okay.
So after we wax, we give you a wax. We're gonna polish your for like a complete experience. Okay. So after your wax, normally your skin is a little traumatized. So what we'll do is we'll apply some serum, vitamin C, or mga extra ingredients to make it like to pamper it, yes. But there are some people that we have a solution for it's called light to whiten that area. There's another what do you call this? There's another solution. It's called hydro to moisturize it. And the other is vitamin C.
Oh wow, that's
so it's like the vitamin C that you put on your face. You put it down there.
Oh, okay.
So basically, your down there is not just beach ready. It's shorts ready. It's everything ready.
Okay. That's not exciting.
So it actually doesn't take that long.
Okay.
You can. Everything can be done in like less than an hour.
No downtime.
No downtime. After pwede ka nang lumarga, bahala ka na kung saan mo gusto pupunta. Of course, it's the regular downtime, like 24 hours, no swimming, ganyan. So long as hindi ka naman mag-deep sea diving, okay ka lang.
Okay.
Or yung tipo yung hindi ka naman sa beach kagad.
Okay.
Or 24 hours.
That's my next question. So if kunyari, I have a planned beach trip, how long prior that trip to dive?
24 hours.
Oh wow, okay. Cool.
Okay. There's some people who are not, the people who are not that sensitive, they can even go like less than 24. The 24-hour SOP is really the maximum.
Okay.
There are some people normally you just basically have to wait for your pores to close down. Because there's some people that yung pores na it can close in like 10 hours, 5 hours. That's fine. But there's some people kailangan talaga ng 24.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay.
You excited?
Super.
It's actually a very, very refreshing treatment. Because like after you traumatize your skin, you need something to pamper it a little, to make it feel like, okay, since nabugbog ka ngayon, you deserve this.
That's right.
Ganyan.
That's right.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Okay.
So I'm inside my room in Strip. I'm pretty much excited for this treatment. I'm told to get the wax and polish with vitamin C, so I'm very excited. It's my first time to do it. Time to change. Ate, ako pa yung pinaka-quiet mo na naging client.
Hindi, quiet ka pa niyan, no?
Ibig sabihin, di sumisigaw.
Pinaka-cool.
Okay.
Nasaksan niya daw.
Tapos infused with vitamin C.
Yes, yun po yung napipil yung basa.
Okay, so I just had my hydrofacial done here at Strip. Facial not for the face, but facial for my V-box. And here's the machine that was used. And then they also added vitamin C. So that's a first for me. I've known na meron ng hydrofacial before sa Strip, but vitamin C is something very new. So it's supposed to lighten and brighten that area, make everything look more pantay, so you're beach ready and your shorts ready, as Monique told me earlier. Nahanap ko na yung slippers ko so I can go down and change and meet with everyone. So wait lang. Alright, so that was really quick. Hindi pa yata 1 hour or a little about an hour. And it's done. The entire procedure, treatment is done. And buti na lang I wore a dress so it's easier to like change and everything. Just come back here at Strip to have my down there maintained because it's always like the best here. I've tried so many waxing studios pero sa iba talaga it's kind of painful, and that's for me, from someone who has very high tolerance with pain. Super, as in parang wala lang dito sa Strip. Naantok lang ako kanina, but in some studios sometimes masakit pa. So if you're a first timer in waxing, don't forget to drop by at Strip. Book your appointment here. It's like the best. They have the best therapists. They know what they're doing. You can ask them anything. And they know all the procedures and all the ingredients. So you can just ask them. You'll feel so comfortable doing it here, especially for the first time because you're in good hands. So I just finished my appointment. I just left Strip. We did a little like catch-up time with Monique. I actually know Strip for a long time now, like even before I was just starting in vlogging, even before I started YouTubing. So, yun lang. It's like coming home to Strip, ganyan. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog. What are you ordering?
Wala.